Hi everyone! Have you ever felt like your Thai still doesn't sound like a native speaker? Well, today I have 5 easy techniques to help you sound more natural in Thai. Thai has 5 different tones, and if you get them wrong, the meaning change completely. Native Thai speakers use ending words to sound polite or more natural. For example, ครับ ค่ะ We use rising and falling intonation to express emotions. Thai people link words when they speak fast. Use Thai slang to more sound natural. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time!